Ayo, what is up everybody? Kevin here, Mr. Brightside, and this is my dream bike. So let's do a bike check of my dream bike, starting first with the frame set. Of course, this is Ave Maldea custom frame set over here, made out of Columbus Spirit tubing, galing kay Tryon Marketing. Asymmetrical chainstay too, ang medyo particular sa kanya. Inspired by Wise Manufacturing, of course. So yeah, let's start with the cockpit. We have over here carbon railed saddle from Brooks, Cambium C13 I believe, parang yung mas maliit na version with the carved. Ang ating ISP topper is made by DJ Cycle Works. Thank you so much, Kuya Bok. Cockpit too, we have our SRAM SL stem and SL80 na drop bars with, of course, service course na this is bar tape. Up top too, this is a gift from my buddy. We have our MASH Ouroboros stem cap and top cap, which ironically, I did not quite realize until the end of the build, matches the purple on my XE6 Time Attack pedals. So let's go to the cranks. We have SRAM Omniums, just so we can match it with the Zip cockpit. And of course, we have the Mad Maxes in gunmetal color. Izumi Jet Black chain. Ito yung Izumi X Smash. Unfortunately, the inner links na supposedly gold, hindi na siya halata ngayon dito. So, up back, we do have Runwell nuts with the hint of gold too. For the wheel set, we have a Zip 404 matched to a Zip 303 up front na carbon rims. They shimmer so prettily in the sun. They are laced to Grand Compe hubs because Zip has proprietary spoke counts. So we have a 24-24 setup over here. So yeah, as for like the little details and the decals, up front we have Long. This is the Chinese character for dragon. Here in the C-tube, we have 3 Year of the Dragon commemorative stickers. Ano pala sila? Post stamps. Yeah, they're synced in there with the top coat. Custom Maldea na sticker. Ito naman ang Columbus Spirit sticker na talaga nga naman para dyan. So yeah, shout out to our paint job from MPY Paint Jobs. Of course, they did the clear coat on the Columbus fork really, really nicely. The inner colors too that match the rest of the teal and the gold is much appreciated. Ayan. So this bike is my dream bike for 2024, Year of the Dragon, the year my son was born. So thus the dragon commemorative stickers and whatnot. Also, the cool thing about the bike, ang goal ko sa kanya is to build it using my dream bike rather using my incentives in Sun Life. So hindi ko ginastos ang commission ko dito. Dapat incentives lang. So a few things that I do love about the bike. In the bottom, ayan, medyo madumi lang. We have Indomitable as a word there. Actually, the bottom bracket shell, I forgot to show this to Jules Double J, says wrong side up. So if you see that, wrong side up. Jules, salamat din sa'yo dahil na tinuro mo sa akin ang Pirelli P0. So napagastos ako para dun sa teal ng Pirellis. Ayan, just so that I can match that with the rest of the bike. For the decals, I think this is pretty cool. Outside of Mr. Brightside, that's my tag name for my business in events. I have here, Yield Not Thy Streets. Kasi fixie rider ka, kailangan mo paglaban yan. We have Interquilinus Invenitur inside. That is, in filth it shall be found. That's alchemical dictum. Up back, it does say, I don't know if you can read that, neither fear nor doubt. Ang karugtong niyan, prevail dapat. Neither fear nor doubt prevail. So, lastly, as a tito who finds inner peace riding fixed, that is my last decal in this bike build. So yeah, dream bike, done. Sick build. Thank you, Jules Double J. Let's go. Well, everybody who did a great job with the bike. Shout out dun sa mga kamag-anak ko na tumulong so that I can source the new old stock Zip rims and the cockpit too. Salamat. Built Cycles who built the bike because we had a bit of an issue with the SRAM Omniums and the clearance issue. So salamat Built Cycles for that. I believe Wheel Profile is the dude who built my wheel. So salamat din sa'yo, bro. Yeah, who else? Who else? Of course, mga Ave Maldea, DJ Cycle Works, you know, shout out sa inyo. Shout out sa misis ko dahil may permit po ito. So let's just say, you know, this is a terrific bike to remember this year by. So yeah, that's just about it. Thanks, dude. Ugh.